we have seen that we have started with the chapter named as Human Health and Disease, and this is from the secondary syllabus. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the sixth part from this chapter. So we are going to discuss about a very important topic in today's class, which is named as cancer. So I hope all of you had heard the name of this disease. It's a very dangerous type of disease, and till now there is no proper cure or treatment for this disease. Although several types of advancements are there in the medical fields to cure this particular disease, still no proper cure or complete cure is there for this type of dangerous disease. So let us first see what is the term, or what does this term cancer mean. So cancer is a condition of the body where the cells of our body becomes uncontrolled. Okay, it keeps on division uncontrollably and in an unregulated manner. So this disease, cancer, is nothing but a condition where uncontrolled cell division takes place. Here the cells of our body becomes unregulated. Okay, so they lose all the properties of a normal cells and they keep on dividing, growing and proliferating in an uncontrolled fashion. Okay, so this uncontrolled type of cell division gives rise to a irregular mass of tissue termed as tumor. So basically there are two main types of tumors. The first one is named as benign tumor and the second one is named as malignant tumor. So what is benign tumor? This is that type of tumor which is not able to move or transfer from one part of the body to the other, whereas this type of tumor, this is the malignant tumor, they can travel from one part of the body to the other. So this is the more dangerous type of tumor, and malignant tumors generally causes cancer, whereas benign tumors don't cause cancer. So let us just have a look at the differences between the benign and the malignant tumor. So in case of the benign tumor, this can move from one part of the body to the other. This cannot move from one part of the body to the other, whereas malignant tumors can move from one part of the body to the other. This type of cells or this type of tumors can not cause cancer, whereas malignant tumors can cause cancers. Then the rate of growth and development in case of benign tumors are slower compared to the malignant tumors, but in case of this type of tumors, the rate of growth and development is much higher. Okay, so the harm which is caused by benign tumors is not that much. Okay, so but in case of malignant tumors, they are very much harm. They are causing much harm to our body. So these are the important differences between the benign tumors and malignant tumors. Next, we are going to have a look at the important differences between the cancer cells and the normal cells. So whenever the normal cells gets converted to the cancer cells, they show some differences. Let us just have a look at what are the differences. The first one is, in case of the normal cells, they have definite shape and sizes, whereas in case of cancer cells, they lack definite shapes and sizes. Next difference is, in case of the normal cells, they show contact inhibition, whereas they lack contact inhibition. So what does this mean? In case of normal cells, whenever a normal cell comes in the cancer cells, if even they come in contact with the cells of similar type, they will not stop their growth and division. Okay, so that means that they lack the contact and division. Next, the normal cells, the rate of growth is slow. Here the rate of growth is fast. Okay. Next point we can write down under the normal cells is that they do communicate properly with the neighboring cells. Cancer cells do not communicate with the neighboring cells. The normal cells can receive signals from their neighboring cells and they can act accordingly, whereas the cancer cells are very much uncontrolled and they do not receive any type of signals from their neighboring cells. Okay. Next, the normal cells can undergo apoptosis, that is programmed cell death. If a particular cell is injured or has a particular disease, then this particular cell, these normal cells, are signaled to undergo apoptosis or programmed cell death, so that the neighboring cells are not infected. Okay, whereas cancer cells don't undergo apoptosis. They have already become uncontrolled and unregulated, and it keeps on multiplying constantly without undergoing any type of programmed cell death. Okay, now let us have a look at the different causes of cancer. Causes of cancer. So the agents which actually causes cancer are termed as carcinogens. These are those agents which causes cancer, and there are three main types of carcinogens. They are termed as physical carcinogens, chemical carcinogens, and biological carcinogens. So, under these physical carcinogens, different types of radiations like X-rays, gamma rays, different types of UV rays, etc. are there. Under the chemical carcinogens, different types of harmful chemicals like nicotine, then your benzene, then asbestos, etc. are the different types of chemicals which are responsible for causing cancer. Then under the biological carcinogens, some viruses are there which are termed as oncovirus, which have a specialized type of genes termed as oncogenes, and these genes can alter our normal genes and can cause cancer. So these are the important causes of the cancer, under which there are physical carcinogens, chemical carcinogens, and biological carcinogens. Okay. Now let us take a look at the different types of tests which can be done that it will not cause cancer. Okay. Next, different types of with the help of radiation also or radiography, then computed tomography. These are also some important diagnoses with the help of which the cancer can be detected. Also, some antibody based tests are there which are also done to confirm the cancer. Okay. Now let us have a look at the different types of treatment procedures which can be done for cancer. Okay. Though there is no not a proper treatment or there is no proper treatment or cure for this disease, but it can be controlled if the cancer is detected at a very early stage, then it can be controlled. Okay. So some techniques are, the first one is the cancers can be controlled with the help of surgery. Then they can also be controlled with the help of radiation therapy, where different types of rays are given to kill those cancer cells